line.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of beauty, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please.
To take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Remain safely seated, and I will record it. And heed this warning: the spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here in the Haunted Mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy hearts here, but there's room for 1,010 volunteers. Unlivable here in this room. Every room has wall to wall, and hot and cold, blood
your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
Your sympathetic vibrations now flow to materialize. They're assembling for you. Swing, wait. There is something expecting you. I'll see you all a little later.
Spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Foolish mortals, please remain seated. Your tour will begin motion immediately.
Abundantly detained by frantic spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will continue our tour. Just
tombstones quake. Happy haunts will fade.
And begin to vocalize. Pretty ghosts come out to socialize. Silly spookies on your side. They pretend to
And expected you to fill our quota.
We got the tall one. I do it.
Till you return. And the ghost will follow you home.